Hey friends, let's talk about what's trending from Paris Fashion Week and more importantly, how you can make these trends your own in real life. Because honestly, fashion should feel fun and personal, right? First up, the boho vibe is back. Flowy fabrics, lace details, and soft, easy denim are at the heart of this trend. If you're into it, try starting with a floral maxi dress or a breezy blouse, something light and romantic. Pair it with flat sandals or ankle boots for a look that works anywhere, from a casual coffee date to a weekend stroll. Layer on a scarf or some delicate jewelry to make it uniquely yours. Next, let's talk about maximalism. This one's all about bold, dramatic style, but you don't have to go over the top to make it work. Start small with one standout piece, a patterned jacket, a ruffled shirt, or even some eye-catching earrings. Pair it with your favorite wardrobe basics to keep things grounded. It's perfect for when you want to make a statement, whether it's a night out with friends or just adding a little flair to your workday. Now, let's dive into the lingerie-inspired trend. This might sound bold, but it's so easy to incorporate in subtle ways. Think about a lace camisole under a structured blazer or a sheer top, layered over a neutral tank. A slip dress is another great option. Dress it down with sneakers and a cozy cardigan for daytime, or pair it with heels for a night out. It's all about mixing soft, romantic elements with your personal edge. And then, there are the colors of the season. Butter yellow is such a fresh, wearable shade. It's soft, warm, and perfect for brightening up your look. If you're hesitant, start small with accessories or even nail polish. And let's not forget pink. It's everywhere. From soft blush to bold, vibrant tones. Add a pop of pink with a sweater, a scarf, or even a bold coat to bring a little joy and energy into your outfit. Now here's the fun part. I want to hear from you. How are you going to bring these trends into your life? Maybe it's a small accessory, or maybe you're ready to go big with a statement piece. Share with us how you're making these trends your own. You can tag us, message us, or even just drop a comment. We'd love to see your take on it. That's all for today. Thanks for tuning in to A Moment of Now. Go out there, have fun with your wardrobe, and don't forget to share your looks with us. Stay confident, stay stylish, and as always, stay you. Catch you next time. Come shop with us at amomentofnow.com. Get 15% off on your first order when you sign up to be a member.